What is this?
A dream light.
Did you put your PJs on? Are you ready for bed?
Yeah.
But it's only 1 o'clock.
It's trying to get dark.
Trying to get dark?
Yeah.
Okay. What do you say to Daddy?
Thank you.
Do you love it?
Yeah.
Let me see.
It's really cool.
Show Daddy what it does.
What?
It's got a strap. Show Daddy everything it does.
Got this really little pink strap.
Pink strap, okay. Daddy's favorite color. Pretty pink, okay.
I have pink. I got pink. Pink is my favorite color.
Daddy bought a good dream light.
And Dad's favorite color is brown.
Daddy's favorite color is pink.
I said brown.
But Daddy said pink.